Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today, but before we start, if you can give me that like button, the thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. It'll help share this video with others. If you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, the notification bell hit all so you can get all my videos. Also, please comment down below that you subscribe so I can give you a shout out at the end of my videos. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about Lucid Motors stock to see if it is a good buy or a sell, or a hold, or what we should do and expect in the next few weeks. So I think you're really going to like this video, so let's go ahead and check it out. So this article is from Seeking Alpha, and it is titled, "Is Lucid Motors stock a buy or a sell after the recent SPAC merger?" So we have been trading as LCID for the past 2 weeks, and we'll definitely have to see how this stock is. Now, as a company as a whole, Lucid Motors has a very strong balance sheet looking forward into the future growth. So it is a very good stock in the future for a long-term hold. It is a well-positioned tech stock. So this is a tech stock, not just a car company. So when you evaluate it, it should be evaluated on the same basis as Tesla, again, in my opinion. The biggest downside of this stock right now is that its technology has been unproven. So we first need to get these deliveries of the Lucid Air Dream vehicle out to customers' hands and to allow these people to share their thoughts on it and see if this vehicle performs. So Lucid Motors does have the technology, the battery technology, as the longest battery range out there. It is supposed to have a range of over 500 miles. In some of the models, it has a range of 517 miles, 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, which is extremely fast, and it has all the luxury capabilities. It does have a lot of technologies, and we definitely have to see that this company shows and delivers. So according to this article, Lucid Motors is a very well-positioned tech-wise company. It does have a lot of attractive products coming out. It does have the Lucid Air. It is coming out in 4 different trims, ranging anywhere from $70,000 all the way to $169,000, and this is with the federal tax rebates. I did just do a video yesterday that the Biden administration is signing an executive order that by the year 2030, 50% of all vehicles that are sold in the United States will be required to be electric vehicles. This is huge, and this is very big for companies like Lucid Motors, Tesla, Ford, General Motors, and Fisker. If you can, go back and check that video out. It's very good information for you. But moving forward, the Lucid stock is in a well-positioned in the future, and I think it will do very, very well. Right now, the stocks look very expensive for the company because we do not have any revenues. So when you look at the financial statements and you do the evaluation of the company, right now it's hard to judge and hard to do because it has not had any sales. So if we evaluate Lucid Motors stock price and compare it to Tesla, which are both in the same technology and vehicle space, right now Tesla is trading at about 10 to 12 times its price per sale ratio. Now, Lucid Motors has not had any sales of its vehicles, but in its projected financial statements, if you do compare the two, Lucid Motors is at a great price right now because it will be projecting as trading about 2.6 times its price per sales ratio, which puts Lucid Motors as a very cheap stock price, in my opinion. But looking at the history of Lucid Motors stock, since its IPO, it is currently trading right under that $23. It is a very nice buy, in my opinion. I think this stock, if you can get it under $25, is a very good deal. If you can get it under $21, it's a steal of a deal, in my opinion. Now, currently at this price of $23, Lucid Motors is evaluated at $37 billion, which puts it right around the Xpeng and Li Auto group that are trading from China. In comparison, these vehicles from China are already having sales and already producing their vehicles. So if you look at it America-wise, we have not had any sales of the Lucid vehicle. Once this is what we're waiting on, once these sales start happening, I think this stock will do very, very well and it will bump up its price. I know a lot of the investors are growing impatient out there because it is taking Lucid so much time to get these deliveries out, and they have not given us a firm date of any deliveries. However, the end of August is now approaching, and we will be entering into the fourth quarter of this year. Lucid Motors said that by the end of about August, beginning of September, they should be rolling out the Lucid Air Dream. And I think once this happens, this stock will do very, very well, again, in my opinion. So transitioning into the stock price, Lucid Motors ended up the day at $22.75 yesterday. And in the past 5 days, it has been down by about 1%. It looks like we are still trading at that bottom. As I mentioned, that the stability in the base of this stock is about the $22 mark. It will be trading about $21 to $26 in my opinion after the merger, and so far we have been right on track there. I think this is a very good entry price for this stock. We will be definitely monitoring it. I think once you see the deliveries coming out, this will have a very nice bump up in its stock. From here, I do believe that we will hit that $27 mark. Once we pass that resistance of this stock, then the next target will be that $30 mark. As you can see in the past 1 month, we've had very big dips, but the lowest that we've always tested is about $22. Ever since then, once you get that $22 mark, you do have a very nice bump up in its stock. So we are trading at its base right now, and I think that we're just expecting its deliveries to happen. Now, according to its future forecast, according to Wallet Investor, we are trading at $22.75. Its 1-year forecast is about $42, and its 5-year forecast is about $115. So if you are a long-term investor in Lucid Motors, LCID, I think you have a very good chance of making big money in this stock, in my opinion. You do have to weather some of the storms, some of the bumps in the road, because we need to start seeing the production and the vehicles being delivered. I think Lucid Motors does have a very good product on its hand, but we do need to start seeing that. Once it's out in the market, the stock will do very, very well. Well, I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something new. Please give me that thumbs up, the like button, and this will be shared with others. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Hit that notification bell, hit all. If you can, leave me a comment down below that you subscribed so I can give you a shout out at the end of my videos. I really appreciate that. Also, please, if you can, share this video with others. Share it with your friends, your family, your coworkers, and that next door neighbor. I really appreciate it. If you would like to help out the channel, I've created some links below. One is to Robinhood. If you click on that link, open an account, you'll get a free stock. You'll also be helping my channel so I can get a free stock as well. I also put a link to Webull. If you deposit $100 or as low as $5, you get a random choice of free stock. So please check that out, and thank you so much for your support.